Welcome to DM Astrology. In the series of yearly prediction, this is our 12th sign, Pisces. We all know that Pisces is a water-based sign and it is dual nature. Dual because of the two fish. There is symbol of a two fish. One fish having the tail of each other. It's like a S moment. So these are the highly emotional sign. Out of the 12 sign, this is all 12 sign. This Pisces are the more emotional sign. Mostly they are always being very emotional and very sensitive as like a fish. And this year their emotion has to be controlled as they are going to face 100 days Sadesati. Many good things are also going to happen. This is a ruling by the Jupiter, so it will always be positive. Even though they are very sensitive, very emotional, but never be so negative. That is a plus point of their sign. Now, considering the planetary position, we are going to see what are the changes going to happen during the entire year to the Pisces moon. Now, in the Pisces sign itself, the Jupiter is transiting from 12th house. In the beginning of a year for the 100 days, Jupiter will remain in the 12th house, and after 14th of April 2022, it is coming to your own sign. So Jupiter will transit from 14th April to rest of the year over your moon, over your sign. So that is a positive sign of your entire year. Same way, the Saturn is transiting from your 11th house. Entire year it will be 11th house only for the 100 days between 29 April 2022 to 12 July 2022. It will go back to the Aquarius and again it will be coming back. So Aquarius sign in your 12th house Aquarius sign, Saturn will remain for the 100 days between 29 April 2022 to 12 July 2022. It will remain here. And Rahu which is in your 3rd house is then coming to your 2nd house. On 14th of April it will be coming on your 2nd house, and simultaneously Ketu which is placed in your 9th house will come to your 8th house on 13th of April 2022. So Rahu, Ketu, Saturn and Jupiter all are transit. We have seen what will be going to happen. Now we are going to see what will be the situation of different events in your life. Considering first as a health, because health is our wealth. So health wise this year is quite better. As Jupiter will be in the 12th house or after that it will be coming in your ascendant, health wise it will not going to cause you any harm. When Saturn will come from 10th house to your 11th house to your 12th house, small Sadesati will start, will only cause you mental stress but not going to cause anything physically. So don't worry about any physical ailment, disease or any suffering to the body. You are perfect in the body in this year. Only you have to take precaution of your mind and control your mind by way of a meditation and concentration. So the 12th house Saturn will be also not going to cause anything related to your health aspect. We are going to see the disease what you are going to face, but overall health wise you are better fit and not going to face any problem related to your health. Thereafter we have to consider the wealth. The second best thing is the wealth. In your wealth house, as the Jupiter will be transit in your 1st house, but Rahu also will same day will come to your 2nd house. So you have to be very careful about the finance, financial relationship, financial turnover and any transaction related to the finance. Although being a moon, Jupiter is occupying the moon sign, you will not face any problem, but yes, Rahu may create some misunderstanding or Rahu may create some sudden problem in your financial transaction. So not to face any financial problem, you should take a call, you should take the opportunity per April so that it will not create any fear in your mind. But overall your financial, all the transaction, financial, all the commitment will be fulfilled. So you are not going to face any financial problem throughout the years, and financially you are far better and you should be taking extra precaution. So all your financial transaction, financial commitment you should take, you should give before April when Rahu moves to your 2nd house. Although year is positive, Saturn will also not cause any problem, but still on the basis of apprehension you should take a call prior to it so that not facing any problem later on. Same way, our relationship wise also, being second house is also for the relationship. It may create some dispute, some suspicious thing, some of thoughts, negative thoughts about the mind, but will not actually happen that things. You are dealing with your all the relatives, but you may be not finding that much intimacy with them, not so much feelings in them because of your Rahu. Being Saturn coming in your 12th house is also somewhat Sadhisati effect also will be causing you mentally, but relationship wise, you don't have to keep anything negative in your mind. It will not going to cause you any negativity. It's just and just your thoughts. So be careful about your thoughts. Keep a clear communication. Whatever you feel, you just speak it so that it is not going to cause any misunderstanding later on. So that you have to always then give the excuse that you don't mean that, it happens like that. So not to create such a disturbance, such a difference of opinion, you should be clear, you should be loud. Thereafter, education wise also we have to take a precaution. So in the education, whether it is a basic education, whether it is a higher education, you will not going to face any problem. Even though in the Sadhisati beginning also you will not face any problem. In the normal education in your 4th house also there is no planet is affecting negatively. So you will be able to take the call for standard 10, standard 12 or degree level, or even if you are planning for the higher education also, this Jupiter who came in the ascendant will give you good effect in your 5th house. So obviously the education wise, higher education wise, you are more safe and secure. 100% you take a call, you take a decision, you will be succeeded. And don't worry about anything related to your Sadhisati. It will not going to cause any harm. Yes, it will make you focus about the things. So you have to keep focus and work hard. So education wise, whether primary, secondary, degree, higher education, master degree, PhD, no worries. You will not face any hardship. You are safe. Same way related to the children. If you are planning for the children, you can take any time, but after April it will be the best time. If you start planning now also, you will be getting result after the April only. So throughout year related to the child, you have a plenty of a yoga, you have too much time, but better take the call this year only, so that the child who will born will get a good Saturn, good Jupiter position, good Rahu position. All the way they will be having good life ahead. So related to the child planning, child pleasure, you will be getting the good support. Even though you already have a child and you have worry about it, when they are going to study, when they complete their education, when they will be into the good career, marriage, settlement, whatever your question is related to children, you will be quite sure, secure and positive, as the Saturn, Jupiter coming in your ascendant will affect your 5th house. So they will do better, and according to their betterment, you will also get a good result. So mentally you will not face so hardship, and related to your children, child pleasure, you will be enjoying. So not to worry about the child and child pleasure. Related to the diseases, I already mentioned you that entire year health wise you are quite better fit. Any disease which will going to cause will immediately give the relief. As the Jupiter in the 1st house over the moon and over your sign, it will always keep you healthy, and Saturn whether in 11th house or 10th house will keep you more safe and secure. So no major disease is indicating. If you already facing some disease, be sure that you should be careful. You should use the diagnosis and not worries about it. Don't accumulate the thoughts in your mind as a Sadhisati that 100 days, so that you will not face much of a hardship. Those who are into the relationship, love and affair, they should also communicate during this period. This is a good time, as the Jupiter come in the April in your 1st house, it will affect your 5th house. So whatever your feelings are there, whatever the feelings you expect from them, or whatever the feelings you wish to pass to them, you should be clear and you should be loud, so that you will be able to get your desired result. So 100% you should communicate your feelings, your emotions, love, affair, so that you will be getting the expected result from the opposite person. So love affair, it is a good time, you can concentrate on over it. Related to the job, if you are into the job, this is a good year. normal year. You are not going to face any hardship, as well as there is no better opportunity you will find than this. Yes, during the Sadesati, when official Sadesati will start, you need to change the job, you need to change the work style. But prior to this, this is an option period. If you take an option, it's well and good. But if you don't even take the chance, it is not worse for you. So those who are already continuing in the work, they will also be benefited. You will be also having a positive things about your present job. Any financial growth, as a Jupiter come in the ascendant, any financial growth, position wise also, if you are expecting something, you will be communicated by April onward. So be stay there in the current job. There is no need of changing the job at the moment. And those who are already in plan of change or in-house change, they can take the call after the April. It will be benefited financially also and position wise also. So overall job position will be good. You will be not facing any hardship, and you will be not going to cause any problem in your current job, or even if you plan for the new job, you are safe, secure to take the call. 100% you will be benefited out of it. Considering the marriage, if you are already communicating with someone, this is good time, as a Saturn in 12th house also, it is good for the knot bandhan, and also if the Jupiter comes in your first house. So once the Jupiter come in your first house, it will affect your sign as well as your 7th sign, which is for the marriage proposal. So 100% you will be getting good support for the marriage. If you are already talking in the terms of somebody's opportunity is already running, you should finalize it and fix the marriage. Marriage time, entire year from the April to December is your time. You can take the call anytime. Even prior this 3 months is also good, as a Saturn in 12th house comes, Jupiter in 12th house, it will give you good result. So 100% marriage wise you are safe, secure, and take the call. You can execute the marriage performance also and get a good result. Those who are already married also will get a good settlement, positive response. As the moon covered by the Jupiter, whatever the misunderstanding you might be having, that also may be clear. And during the Sadesati also, that 100 days is also a cool period. You will not be so extreme, so that you will also face and your partner also face. That will not be the situation. You will not face any hardship, and you will not going to cause any problem to your marriage life. Those who are already married and having some dispute can also solve after the April, when Jupiter comes in your sign and affecting your 7th house. As the Rahu is also moving from 3rd house to 2nd house, its bad influence over the 7th house also get clear. So 100% your marriage life is saved. Any dispute and difference of opinion is there, that also being settled, and you will not face any problem related to that. So marriage wise, quite better, settled, and good time you had ahead, not to worry. Considering the foreign traveling and foreign settlement, yes, this is a good time, as your planetary position is favorable. Now it is not going to cause any problem. Jupiter comes in your first house is also good for the betterment in the foreign countries, foreign settlement, job related also you will be getting good result. So Saturn when comes in 12th house, Jupiter is also in the 12th house. Both the time for upcoming 7 months from the year beginning, you have a good chance of a foreign traveling, foreign settlement. Whether you are going for the education purpose, whether you are going for the higher education, whether you are going for the career, marriage, all the aspects are open. You may get a good call from the foreign countries. Those who have already applied for PR and citizenship also having some positive response from them. As the Jupiter come in the first house, all the positive things are going to happen, and you will maybe getting your call urgently, immediately, and for the long term stay you will be awarded. So be positive about foreign traveling, foreign settlement. It's possible in your present scenario. Related to the business and profession, those who are into the business and profession, yes, Jupiter will give you a lot of an opportunity, and you will be having a good time ahead. So whatever the problem is there, whatever the business development you wish to see, whatever the professional base things you are wishing, that all will be possible after April when Jupiter come your ascendant. You will be more focused about your business profession and expected result. Whatever the growth you are expecting from the business in the current year, that goal will be achievable in the business. Any new venture will be welcome. Any financial problem will be solved. So you will be in the verge of expansion. So be careful and handle a good expansion which you can create. So profession wise also you will be expecting good amount of a client. If you are planning for the new venture, new things, new business and professional development, you can plan accordingly and execute. You will be benefit out of it and get the desired result. 100% you will be safe, secure related to this your business and career. So 100% you will be benefited, not to worry about your anything. Related to the investment, yes, this is a time where you should take the call of an investment. As the Rahu is coming in the second house, your money will be somewhat. If you don't plan, it may be wasted. So better you should plan for your business investment, and you should invest your money accordingly so that you will not face any problem. So 100% related to your business and profession, you should be concentrating it and do the investment. So investment for the sake of a long term is good, as Rahu will remain 1.5 years in your second house from April onward till the end of 2023. So you should plan for a 2-year, 3-year planning for the investment, and do the systematic investment, SIP, RD or any fixed source of investment, so that it will last for, you can plan for the long term, 3 years, 2 years planning, so that it will be benefited. As the Jupiter come in the first house, this is also a positive sign that all the decision you can take immediately and not being delayed. 100% benefit for you. For any kind of a sudden expenditure, yes, it will be going to cause you any expenditure. So prior to that, you should secure your investment. When you secure your investment, you are securing your future expenditure. So to secure your future expenditure, you should do the systematic investment and plan and budget for your expenditure. There is no indication of any loss. So do not have to worry, as you are very positive. Saturn in the 12th house will not amount to any loss. So not to worry about any expenses, big expenses, losses that you are not going to cause anyway. And investment wise also you will be benefited, so not to worry about it. Considering the remedy, you should do the remedy for entire year. As the Rahu is coming to your second house, there is a good chance for praying Lord Shiva. You can pray Lord Bhairava, Rahu Upasana, Mahamrityunjay Mantra, or you can help any differently able person, disabled person. That will be good blessing for you. You can provide them clothes, you can provide them the their well-being, you can provide them all kind of a basic necessary that will be helpful to them. So 100% that will be benefit. You should do the remedies. Related to the investment in the properties or offices, you can buy a property. As the Jupiter come in your first house and prior to Rahu comes in your second house, you should take a call and take the decision about the investment. Either investment in property or either investment for long term, it is mandatory for you to keep safe and secure your finance for upcoming 2 years. So 100% you should take a call for any investment, whether it is a residential or commercial, it will be benefit to you. Considering the litigation part, if you are already facing any litigation, opposition or any fight between this is a time to resolve it and finalizing. As the Jupiter comes in your first house, you will be justice. Saturn comes in the 12th house, that is also an opportunity to get a justice. So 100% this is a time where you can settle your matter amicably, suitability. Don't involve any third person, directly meet, directly complete your litigation, face them and complete it. So any opposition, any litigation, court matters can be settled amicably. Yes, related to the spirituality also it is a good time, as your Ketu is moving to your 8th house. So this is a time where you can meet the spiritual goal. So religiously, spiritually and socially, all three ways you should be balanced. More benefit is on the religious things. You can go to your guru, you can go to the temple, you can go and settle in the spiritual place and get a positive energy. So spiritually also it is inclining good. Religious belief, religious traveling, social aspect also it is good. Same way, to get a success in social media, friend circle, good support will be expected. Throughout the year, Saturn will be there in your 11th house, and for the 100 days it will go to the 12th house. That time your social media, social expansion, friend circle, all the dispute with the friend can be resolved and get the positive result. So that 29th April to 12th July, you take a call about any resolution and making a new friends. That will be helpful. Those who are into the name, fame and recognition industry, they will also be benefited. As Jupiter come in the first house, you will be benefited. All the deeds what you have performed will be given you good name, fame and recognition. So 100% you will be getting your dues. Saturn in 11th house also will fulfill your desire, even slowly, but fulfill all your desire. So for name, fame, recognition, person in the politics, drama, theatre, artists, all also will be benefited. Those who are in the public life also will get good name, fame and recognition. Your work will be awarded, your position will be guaranteed. And about the accident mishap, you should be worried about it, because the Ketu in the 8th house will give you apprehension. Don't take any panic things. Things may be there, but by keeping a cool mind, you will be come out of it. So don't worry, don't be in under the impression that there will be any sudden events, mishaps, accident. That may be there, but that more of a fear, not actual. So don't worry about the accident, mishaps and any sudden events in the 8th house. You should focus on your work. You should focus on your emotions, social work, so that you will be not disconnected. Same way in the hospitalization also, if you are planning for any remedies, if you are planning for any relief from the disease, this is the right time. As the Saturn in 12th house also it is good, and Jupiter in the ascendant will cure all your ailment. So hospitalization, diagnosis, any disease cure is the right time for you. You will be benefited out of it and you will be having a good health. This way this year will be very good, very up and downs events will be there. You should be not being emotional and be strong, be practical. And for more information you can contact me, connect with me, and for consultation you can contact me with the WhatsApp number given here, or you may contact it my website www.dmastrology.com. also you can connect. In Facebook you can join me in Dharmesh Mehta or DM Astrology for all the articles. Hope you will be having a good year ahead and having all kind of your wish will be fulfilled. Thank you very much. Namaste. God bless you.